Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off read receipts on TikTok in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to disable read status on TikTok direct messages, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To turn off read receipts on TikTok, first of all, open the TikTok app on your smartphone and log in if necessary. Once you are on TikTok, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner of your profile page. A pop-up menu appears. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Under the Settings and Privacy section, find and tap on Privacy. A new screen appears with different options. Scroll down and select Direct Messages or Messages under the Interaction section. In the new screen, turn off the toggle switch next to Read Status to disable it. Once you turn off Read Status, others won't see when you've read their messages.